This is a brand new 2015 Ford Mustang. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, a low tire pressure indicator, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, a limited slip differential, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are also included: dual power seats, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, rear curtain airbags, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, performance tires, a rear spoiler, four-wheel disc brakes with an anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.